Welcome to Creative Homeschooling. In today's class, we will go through 3 more challenges. Let's get started with our 7th challenge. Let's consider 3 chess pieces for this challenge. A bishop, a black pawn and a white pawn. Place the bishop in box C2. Next, place the black pawn in box C4 and the white pawn in box C3. Now we are ready. Let's start the game. I have some questions. Can we move the pawn forward to the box C4? No, because the C4 box was already occupied by a chess piece and the pawn can only capture diagonally. Next question. Can we move the pawn backward to the box C2? No, because as previously stated, the pawns never move backwards. So, this challenge is impossible to solve and this challenge is not finished. Let us now move on to our 8th challenge. For this challenge, consider 3 chess pieces. A queen, a pawn and a knight. Initially, place the queen in box C4. Next, place the pawn in box C2 and the knight in box B3. Now, we are ready. Let's start the game. The pawn now has 2 possibilities. It can either move forward or diagonally to the left to capture the knight. Correct. In this step, I would like to capture the knight. So, I will move that pawn diagonally to the box B3 to capture the knight. Correct. Now, the pawn has 2 options. It can either move forward or diagonally right to capture the queen. Correct. In this step, I would like to capture the queen. Therefore, I will move diagonally to the box C4. Right. Now that I have captured the queen and there are no other chess pieces on the board. So, this challenge is finished. Let us now look at the 9th challenge. In this challenge, consider 4 chess pieces. A bishop, a king, a black pawn and a white pawn. Place the bishop in box D2. Next, place the king in box C3. Place the black pawn in box D4 and the white pawn in box D3. Now we are ready. Let's start the game. I have some more questions for you. Question 1. Can we move the pawn forward to the box D4? No, because the D4 box was already occupied by a chess piece. And also, the pawn can only capture diagonally. Okay? Next, question 2. Can we move the pawn backward to the box D2? No, because as previously stated, the pawns never move backwards. Very good. Next, the last question. Is it possible to move the pawn to the left to box C3 to capture the king? No, because you know already from our previous classes, the pawns can only move forwards. It can either move one step straight in a linear path or If you want to capture your piece, one step diagonally to its left or right. This challenge is impossible to complete because the pawn cannot go backward, forward or sideways. So, this challenge is not finished. Stay tuned. 3 more challenging tasks for pawn left. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe. See you in the next video.